Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun snowman paper chain. These are the supplies you will need today: a 6 by 18-inch piece of white paper, a pencil, colored pencils, and a pair of scissors. We're using fractions today. We're starting off with one whole piece of paper. We're going to fold that in half. That's 1/2 of the original size. When we fold the half in half, that gives us 1/4. So we can fit 4 of these into the whole piece. And we're doing that because we're making 4 snowmen today. First, let's fold the piece of white paper in half. From short side to short side, fold it once. We're going to fold this paper in half from short edge to short edge, bring them together, almost like a card or a book. Now this is 1/4 of the original size. All right, let's start drawing. Place your folded paper in front of you so that it is tall or vertical. At the top in the center, put your finger. On the left of your finger, make a number 1. On the right of your finger, make another number 1, like an 11. Below that, make 2 horizontal lines that are parallel, kind of like an equal sign, but that's really long. On the left, make a number 1. On the right, make another number 1. That'll be the hat. Now turn your paper. We're going to make the head of our snowman. We're going to make a letter C. So starting here, make a curved line, comes around and then goes back like it's going underneath the hat. That's going to be the head. We're going to make another letter C. This one will be even bigger for the body. So starting at this part of the head, make a big curved line coming around. Don't let it go to the bottom. All the way back to the head like this. All right. Small C for the head, big C for the body. Turn the paper back to normal. Now we're going to draw the arms. It is important to draw 2 lines for each arm. And the lines need to go all the way to the edge of the paper. Okay, 2 lines. Don't worry about drawing the hands. If you don't draw this all the way to the edge of the paper, your snowmen won't be holding hands and they're going to cry and icicles are going to come out. It's going to be a mess. So make sure you draw right to the edge of the paper. Now for the legs, 2 lines for each leg coming right to the bottom of the page. Okay. Now if you want, you could also add feet. Just make a curved line like this, like the snowman is wearing boots. Once you have this done, now it's time to cut. These parts of the paper you're not going to need anymore, like this shaded area here. These are the parts we're going to cut off. Okay? I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to keep the paper folded. I'm going to cut down the arm. Try not to cut the hat off. That's one piece. It's okay if you're not right on the line. There we go. Now that I'm done cutting, I'm going to unfold the snowman paper chain and make sure that there are 4 holding hands. There we go. Now it's time to decorate. You can draw different faces on each snowman. You can make a snow woman. You can add hair. You can add glasses, accessories like shoes, ties, bow ties, scarves, mustaches, different kinds of hats. If you want to go back in and make this into a different hat instead of a top hat, you can do that as well. So first I'm going to go and draw different faces on each one of these, and then I'm going to color. So you guys work on your own. You can get ideas from mine. You can get ideas from the examples that I showed you at the beginning. So have fun, and I'll show you the completed design when I'm done. All right, I'm done with the designs. Now it's time to add some color. I hope you enjoyed making the snowman paper chain today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.